Hey, are you an executive over 50? If so, you know the game has changed. The strategies that made you a powerhouse in your 20s and 30s just aren't cutting it anymore. That late-night pizza after a long day? It used to be fuel. Now, it feels like a roadblock for the entire next day. That all-nighter to nail a deadline? It used to be a badge of honor. Now, it takes 3 days to recover. Here's the truth. As we age, our metabolism changes. It's not your fault, it's biology. But what if I told you that you do not have to accept slowing down as your new normal? What if you could regain that sharp, focused energy you had in your younger years, but with the wisdom and experience you have now? Imagine walking into the boardroom feeling not just prepared, but truly powerful, with boundless energy that lasts all day. This isn't about radical diets or spending hours in the gym you don't have. It's about understanding your body's new rulebook. It's about optimizing your metabolism to work for you, not against you. Think of it as a strategic upgrade to your personal operating system. You wouldn't run your company on outdated software. So why are you running your body on an outdated user manual? 4 years, you've put deadlines and deliverables first. You've sacrificed sleep, nutrition, and your own well-being for the sake of your career. But that approach has a cost, and you're likely feeling it now. The constant fatigue, the brain fog, the feeling that you're just not as sharp as you used to be. It's time to stop ignoring the most critical asset in your entire portfolio. And that's you. By mastering your metabolism, you can unlock a new level of performance. We're talking about sustained energy from your first morning meeting to your family dinner at night. We're talking about crystal clear mental focus that allows you to solve complex problems with ease. It's about having the vitality to not just succeed in your career, but to truly enjoy the life you've worked so hard to build. Subscribe to learn how you can reclaim your energy and dominate your 50s and beyond. Start your journey with the Flow Architecture Method. Thanks for watching.